Starting cryptocurrency trading requires research, strategy, and caution. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Number 1. Educate yourself. Before involving yourself in cryptocurrency trading, prioritize building a strong knowledge foundation. Begin by understanding cryptocurrency basics. Understand how trading operates within this ecosystem, covering buying, selling, and exchanging digital assets. Utilize the wealth of beginner-friendly resources available online, such as courses, articles, and forums tailored to newcomers. Take the time to absorb this information thoroughly. It will guide you through the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Number 2. Choose a trusted exchange. When stepping into cryptocurrency trading, selecting the right exchange is crucial for a smooth experience. Start with security. Prioritize platforms with strong security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage to safeguard your funds. Next, choose a user-friendly interface for easy use and efficient trading execution. Make sure the exchange offers the cryptocurrencies you're interested in and check for transparent fee structures to avoid surprises. Lastly, prioritize exchanges with high liquidity for smoother transactions and better market pricing. By keeping these factors in mind, you can confidently choose a trustworthy exchange that supports your cryptocurrency trading journey. Number 3. Start small. When getting into cryptocurrency trading, start with a small amount of money you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their wild price swings, so it's wise to begin carefully until you feel more comfortable and experienced. Starting small allows you to learn without risking too much and gives you the opportunity to gradually build confidence as you gain familiarity with the market. When dealing with cryptocurrency trading conditions, patience and discipline are essential. Number 4. Utilize technical analysis. Technical analysis can greatly enhance your cryptocurrency trading journey. Start by understanding price charts, recognizing patterns, trends, and support resistance levels. Familiarize yourself with key technical indicators like moving averages and RSI to identify market sentiment. This will enable you to identify entry and exit points. By analyzing historical price data, you can make more informed trading decisions. Stay flexible and adjust your strategy to changing market conditions. With these simple steps, technical analysis becomes a powerful tool to guide your trading with confidence. Number 5. Develop a trading strategy. Developing a successful cryptocurrency strategy is all about simplicity and clarity. First, choose your preferred trading style. Whether you want to trade daily, hold for a few days, or invest for the long term. Once you've decided, set clear goals, whether short-term gains or long-term growth. Next, plan your entry and exit points for trades. Decide when to buy and sell based on your analysis or indicators you trust. Finally, manage your risk by setting limits and diversifying your portfolio. By following these straightforward steps, you can understand the cryptocurrency market with confidence and clarity. This will increase your chances of success while minimizing unnecessary confusion. Number 6. Stay informed. Being informed about cryptocurrency markets is key to making smart trading decisions. Keep it simple by following social media, crypto news websites, and forums. These platforms give you insights into market trends and news. Also, pay attention to influential figures in the industry for expert opinions. Stay updated on major news and events that might affect cryptocurrency prices. Engage with the community to learn and share ideas. By staying informed and connected, you can trade confidently and benefit from opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. Number 7. Monitor your trades. Keeping an eye on your trades is key to improving your cryptocurrency strategy. Simply track what you're doing and review how it's working regularly. Learn from both wins and losses to make smarter moves in the future. By doing this, you'll become a more confident and successful trader over time, boosting your profits and reducing risks along the way. Number 8. Stay disciplined. Staying disciplined in cryptocurrency trading is essential for success. Don't let emotions like greed or fear sway you. Stick to your plan, even when the market gets rocky. By staying consistent and focused, you'll be better prepared to handle the ups and downs of trading. This is why 95% of traders fail, because they are not disciplined. So there you have it, everyone. You need to follow these steps to begin your cryptocurrency trading journey. Remember, it's all about education, choosing the right exchange, starting small, utilizing technical analysis, developing a solid strategy, staying informed, monitoring your trades, and above all, staying disciplined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more valuable content like this. And hey, if you have questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading. Happy.